Hi guys, welcome to our video CorelDraw tutorial. Inside this video we show you how to design school flyer or banner. This is flyer design, so you choose either landscape or portrait. This is our size 2x3, so you fit into the size. Ctrl C and paste for your canvas size. You see it, undo, 0, Ctrl C, Ctrl V to paste the size for canvas again. Then left click to change the color. Draw your circle. I have my color already. Right click to power clip inside. Right click to edit power clip. Left click to drag. Left click to move. Left click to adjust. Then right click, copy and paste. Left click to adjust. Right click to copy. Can use Ctrl C, Ctrl V as shortcut. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, copy and paste. So to flip, flip it down, then you copy, reduce one circle and centralize it. Copy, change the color, reduce, and you centralize it inside the circle. Shift page up, Shift or Control Home on your keyboard. Can you see it? Shift page up. Adjust by left click. Right click, copy and paste, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Double click to rotate. By left click. Left click. So we copy and paste and we reduce one circle. Double click to rotate. Can you see it? Then finish, edit. This is our school name, Datra Model College. Left click to drag. Left click to adjust. Left click to adjust to drag by the edge. Left click to move. Right click to edit power clip. Left click to adjust. Left click to drag. Left click to highlight. Can you see? Left click. I'm working inside the power clip. So this is our image to include. Right click and power clip inside. Right click to edit power clip. Left click to adjust, and you right click and drag to inside the circle to power clip each picture. Can you see? Right click, hold your Alt to adjust, and use your left click to adjust. Hold your Alt and click inside. Right click to drag, hold your Alt key to adjust from outside of the power clip. Left click to adjust, right click to power clip inside. Alt click, can you see? F12 for outline option. F12, left click, finish. Then our school image. We have insert the school image. This part of the color that we include. Right click to power clip. Right click to edit. Left to adjust. Shift page down to bring object down. Left click to adjust. Then there's shadow effects. We're trying to add shadow and see the setting. Shadow effect. By click on shadow tools from left side. That's our star shape. Hold Control for perfect shape. Hold Control and your F10 or cutting tools. Left to adjust. Then Control C, Control V. Or your right click to copy and left click to adjust. To adjust back. Highlight each shape and you click just C and E to centralize. Remove the text in, shift page up, left click to adjust, left click to highlight. Then our text, aims and objective, left click, shift page up, I'm trying to adjust the shape to have more space for the text. Can you see? I'm trying to adjust each shape to have more space for the text. Flip, bring it down small, finish edit, left click to move, left click to adjust, we have our text already, so shift page up. I'm trying to break the text as it is covered already. I'm trying to break it, intersect the text and trim to break the text. As it is covered already. Left click to adjust, left click to drag and move. So rectangular shape to draw line. Then our school address and contacts. Shift page up. The text is covered already before. Draw your rectangular, remove the fill and put outline by F12. Left click to remove the fill and F12 to give it a outline. Shift page up. So kindly subscribe, watch and like for more video like this on our channel. Thanks again.